You are given two non-empty linked lists representing two non-negative integers. The digits are stored in reverse order, and each of their nodes contains a single digit. Add the two numbers and return the sum as related. So the two numbers do not contain any leading zeros except the number 0 itself. So the two numbers, for example, list one is 2.564. Maybe after maybe 7, 10, 8, 342 plus 464. Okay. Leading zero. Okay. After summing it, there should not be 0 0 before. Okay. So to solve this question, the brute force approach would be to add the two numbers, reverse and then store it in a variable, and add the two numbers. Time complexity. Yeah, doesn't really matter. The number of nodes in each linked list is 100. So I can do about 2. So can do so probably n cube. Max n cube I can do. Does not it is guaranteed that the list represents a number that does not have any leading zeros. You may assume that two numbers do not contain any zeros except that okay. These are stored in reverse order. Okay. Let's just iterate through the list and get the number. Num1, num2, while L1 one next L1 is not equal to 0. Yeah, not equal to null. We store the num into the reverse order. Keep adding 10 to it. Let's consider as 1 and L1 bell. L1 fed into I of 1 plus equal to then I got a multiply I as everything. Yeah, that's probably it. Do it again for L2, L2, L2. I will be again 1. Uh, we got ourselves two numbers. Now let's It should be a list of nodes. Okay, then convert it to array, then convert it to list of node, list node. Uh, yeah. Let's add both of them. Let's return it. What do I get? Error. Cannot initialize a variable of type listening star with him. Okay, it's something with the main function. Anyway, I gotta do the whole thing. Mhm. Mm, let's keep the sum in variable. Then let's iterate over. If I could keep it a string, then it would be good. You don't need to make an array. So string to int, into string, int to string. Okay, int to string cpp. The function string. String. Let's do it again. Yes. Then let's make a list node. List node star answer. Equal to null. Answer equal to. How will I initialize it? With a value. Okay. Anushka Roy. Hello. I could give it a value. Mm, I could have called the constructor. If I call the constructor with 0, will this work? It's not. No, it can't run like this. No viable conversion from list node to list node star. It won't return anything. What if I just do like this? Put a null pointer, right? It's a pointer anyway, so yeah. Yeah, this will work. So well. Hmm. Divide it and reverse it also. 8 or 7? 7 or 8. Got it. 7 or 8, yeah. Just mod the value. String size as the size equal as the size while t minus minus, and then you can just string take it as a temp value also. Divide it. Okay, now I can insert value. So um, what will it be? 10. More 10. More still right. Temp more 10. And temp will be divided equal to 10. And answer will be answer next. And answer will be null, right? Jiva, hello Jiva. Okay. Let's see. Overflow. Signed integer overflow can be represented. What? Node value. Node value is 0 to 9. So here. Uh, L1 value into I. Then just 10. 10. What is going on? Mhm. my notepad. So let's consider this test case 2, 4, and 3, 5, 6, and 7. What I'm doing is 2 into 10, 2 into 1. So num1 will hold 2 here. Then num1 will, oh, then num1 will hold 40 plus 2 equal to 42. Then num1 will hold, how much will it hold? 3. 3. 3 into 100 plus 42. That's 342. 342. So where did it go wrong? 243. Is it because still uh, okay, L1 next. Tragic, silly mistake. L2 next. Yeah, I'm doing it over here. Member access within null pointer of type list node. Undefined behavior. Runtime error. Member access within null pointer. Okay, this can't be null. That's what you mean. Member access within null pointer of type list node. How do I initialize it? I'm making a silly mistake again. List nodes, the answer. I need to do malloc or something. No, new list node. Equal to new list node. What could be the problem? Runtime error. Let's Google this. Member access within null pointer of type struct list node. Was practicing an interview report which seemed to be pretty simple. I have to return a boulder with a measure or not. Passingly linkless as a cycle. I need to find it. Okay, whatever. You only make sure that next is not null. However, after assignment, runner can become null. How did he initialize it? Head. Need to point to something. Here it is becoming null. Something to do with null. It turns address of type list node. So I know this is null. This is null. So how can I make it not null? Write this. Nah. Let me check the solution. How do I make it not null? Python C++. What? We have to initialize it as null. Then you add the values. L0, L3, P1 val. Interesting. So address of L3 on L2. Address of L3 is node new list node. Yeah, some new list node. Some model. Should I do it? Should I do it? Let's try it. Can you replace the value? Yeah, I can replace the value. Hit them. Model. Let's say type model. Still, member access within null pointer of type list node. How is it a null pointer? I don't get it. Is it a second iteration? It's the second iteration, right? So I can't make it this. I have to make it right this each time. Incomplete pointer to integer conversion into listener. Yeah, it should be answer. Answer equal to. Yeah, answer equal to. Member XX. Member access within null pointer of type, please note. I guess next. I don't need to write this. After ENX agree to be answer equal to none. Yeah. No, I have to return the head. Answer equal to head equal to like that. Now point to the same location. Now I have to return the head. Different answer. And right. Okay, okay. I'm writing in a different line. Yes, no. I head equal to answer. 6 only. Why only 6? The sum was what? 342 plus 567. It's equal to what? 807. Only 6 came over here. Am I not adding it properly? Divided by 10. Let's check over here. Answer will be number will be 567. Yeah. So the sum will. Oh, I have to reverse the string also. 807. So I'm storing it in the string and I'm storing the temp. Then I take the remainder. Answer is like 7. Then I'm dividing 807 by 10. That is by equal to 10. That is 80. 80 more 10 is 0. It should be storing like this. But even if it's head 10.10, why is it storing 6? Num2, num1, L2, 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 1, L1, L1, L into I, L into I, L2, L2. Temp mod 10. That's equal to null. What is the issue? What is the issue? What is the issue? Hmm. Storing only one number. Why is storing only one number? I need three numbers. Oh, okay. So this is. Let me purposely make it two. What does it store? It store two. It stores two. So there's a problem over here. So means there's a problem over here. Okay. Let me check. Num2 is L2 file. That would be 5. 5. And num2 should be equal to 5 plus 5 plus 6 into 10. That should be equal to 65. 65. Now 3 is 65 plus 7 into 10. 100. Right? That should be 765. Oh, but it should be 567. I'm doing it the wrong way. Alright. Here also, what am I doing wrong? It should be first 2, then it's 2 plus 4 into 10. That's 42. Then it's 42 plus 3 into 100. That's 342. Why 565? It should be 567. It's 2465. 564. It's 4 into 100, 465. It's alright. 465, 807. It's alright. Okay. Down into val into I plus equal to I into 10 12 to next. To string num1 plus num2 s temp num1 plus num2 storing only 2. It's not going to the next iteration. Okay, how do I manually make it 3? Let's brute force it for now. 3 and um, oh You're creating another head over here. So I gotta move to the next one. Next one divided by 10 can make a where is it? Answer equal to new list node demo 10, and this would be 2 instead of 3. How about now? Give me something. Give me something. Exclamation mark. Let's remove this. Again, 2 and more than head equal to answer next 1. Uh, this is mad, bro. Answer new list tempo. Then add. So we want a reverse list node. Mm-hmm. Points to the same memory location. Let's put on some music. Oh, I get copyright. Any non-copyright music. Right. Okay, let's get this. I think it will be too loud. Anyway. Okay, I see. They both had an answer point to the same memory location, so it should be connected. It's not. That's a fact. If I move to the next point here, is there any different approach to this? I mean, let's see the solution. Right, where is it? So what did I do? Just adding the song, new list node every time, making use of 2 pointers. How do you return the head? Okay, gotcha. Star star. They return L3 and they use a node over here. Okay, okay. So like, I have to return the nodes. So this, let's make this head. Make this answer. Let's make this n% head. Let's put star everywhere. Right. Star, star, star. And then we can return the head. Hopefully it works. Nah, it won't. Okay. And chaos mute. Fion red. Hello. Sur ALPDWH. Anyway, if this exists, then I have to add it to the song. One bell. Oh, so L1 equal to L1 next. If this exists, L2 bell equal to. I hope this is good. Sum plus equal to L2 well L2 equals to L2 next. Then I can add it in the node start well equals so this node pointer will be address of node next. This will be star, right? Star. Or return it. We gotta be new list node sum. See what we're working with. List no star number, not a structure. I mean, oh yeah, yeah. Should be star node. No, it will be a new one. Point to something. Yeah, it should work. What it can't be? Why? Single star. Yeah, single star. And this should be once. Bruh, this pointer to pointer. Run. Okay, it should be L1 and L2. Some. Oh, I gotta make it. Some should be reset it to 0. Good, 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 good. Wrong answer for here. Oh, I gotta consider carry also. Something like that, right? Three, 4, 7, 10, 0, 1. The 1 isn't being carried forward too. What is 1 essentially? 1 is just an addition, right? It should not be this one. That's right. Bruh. What? That's rubbish. I think it's something to do with the sum. I added 9, 18. 9 plus 9, 18. 9 plus 9, 18, 19. 9 plus 9, 18, 19. 9 plus 9, 18, 19, 1. 9 plus 1, 0. 10, 1, 0. 10, 0. Oh, I gotta add one more 1. That extra 1. That extra 1. Good, good, good. Oh, let's do another problem. Uh, even audible. Okay, it's not even audible over here. Add music's over here. Something outside. Good, 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 good. I'm going to add music. Let's loop it. I did right. I did this. I'm showing you this. Okay, longest substring without repeating characters. Given a string as, find the length of the longest substring without repeating characters. Okay. Longest substring without repeating characters. ABC is repeating, that's why 1, what, 3, what, 3. It's 2, right? WKE, okay. Okay, okay. I'm going to consider all the substrings, not subsequent substrings. You have all the substrings which does not have a unique, does not have repeating characters. substring generation will take a very long time. Complexity, long time complexity. It's given 5 to 10 over 4. So I have to do it in what? 5. It's like probably n log n. N log n, right? I have to do it in n log n. Okay. Next n log n. Then let's see. Longest length of the longest string. Should I go linear? Backtrack also. This would be a DP problem. Not really sure about it though. ABC came up front, WK, so it will be n square is obvious. Brute force approach. What about? How can I do it recursively? What is the recursive approach? Recursive approach. Base case would be individual strings, individual characters, and the last case will be the entire string. So then entire string could be a longest substring without repeating characters. How do we divide it and break it? Take or not take? That's for subsequence. Wow, the solution is locked. I got the discussion though. That's good. ABC, BBB, PW, KW. Now this answer must be a substring PWKE. Subsequence, not a substring here. Let's think about it. PWWKE W. So individually I can combine respect P. I can do like P WWP WWK. Respect to W, I can do WW WWK WWK P. So Max, I'm gonna start the max, not add. So like for P, for W, what will be the individual answers? It's for if it's for P, it's how much? E, it's two. P, for P, it's two because only PW. That's the only possible thing for P. For W, that is the second W or first W, is only one because the W is a unique string, non-repeating string. For second W, I can go with WKE. That's WKE. That's three. Three. For like, okay, I get the point. Dot dot dot. Among these, yeah, the second W is the greatest, right? Let me complete it. For K, it will be three. Oh, for K also it's three. KW. For E, it's two. It's EW. For W, it's one. W. For individual characters, as the starting letter, I need to find each and everything. This approach will take everything is unique. That's n squared. This is n squared. Now what will become in place? If it's 1, PW will be 1 plus 1. PWW it's not 1 plus 1 plus 1. This one word, this one word. Let's see. Okay. Let me check. Given a string as find the longest substring without repeating its experiment A is and log n ये कैसे किया जाए If every character is unique in the string, then at max it will take n square. If it's not unique, then it will take less. And that's beside the point. I need to find a better algorithm. Okay. EWK. No, man. Let me see discussion. Give me some hints. Sliding window. Okay. I saw sliding window. How can I implement sliding window? I have to take a string length and then check for I should start with a larger string length, then I should decrease and slide the window. Okay, let me think about it. PWKE. So first I take 5, 6, then I take 5. 5 will be 2 times. 6, 2, then 4. 4 will be 3 times. 4, 4, 4, 4. So this will be less at first. If I get a maxima, 0, 0, 0, 3 cross 4. Now over here I will get a 3. For one such case, but what's the time complexity over here? N into n minus 1 is n squared. No. Let's see the solution. Int n s dot size special case it less than n. Yeah, if it's less than n, then return n. Okay. Left, right, left 1, right 2. Unordered map. Position. Start int. Yes, right, yes. Using one index position because map considers 0 as a false value. One index position. For S0, it's 1. Okay, res equal to 1, y-res. So for size, string of size n. Okay, it's in O of n if map si and map si. If map si and map is what does this mean? Greater than left. If the occurrence of this character is inside our window, first calculate res from the previous window. The res will store the maximum non-repeating string size of our current iteration and keep updating it. And left will be I will keep updating the left window too. So you are first checking for string of size 2. Right? Yes. We take the update our window and map. We update the map with new index of the character. If map si. Why are you using map? The occurrence of this character is inside our window. And we are checking if it's inside our window by doing map si is greater than equal to left. But what's the use of map si? This part. The occurrence of this car is inside of you. Let's play a different song, Daydream. Let's see. It's less than 2, and we return it, and we're taking left and right is 1 and 2. Adjacent characters, okay. We are checking how much right can increase based on the fact that it is non-repeating characters. If we are using map to check if it's repeating or not. If A has come once, then we are marking with it 1. That's why we are updating the map as I plus 1. So we update the map with the new index of the character. New index. So map is storing the last index of that character's occurrence. Why are we doing that? Why are we doing that? Storing it on right one is left, storing the maximum possible string. We will update our window, increasing the left, increasing the right, and we are making it SI starting from 1. Left is 1, right is 1. Right plus 1. Then if map size not greater than equal to left, what does that mean? That means we are not inside our window. And what's that supposed to mean? This map SI value 0 means increasing the I each time. Okay, so if map SI is 0 means the character did not occur before. So that means we can increase the right as we are increasing the length of the non-repeating string. Now we are changing the value of adding the map index there because it has occurred and it is in this string. Okay. Rest from the last time doesn't calculate, that's right. Okay. Why map greater than the left? So even if it has occurred, it should occur before the window that we are, after the window that we are checking. Because it does not matter if it has occurred before the window. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Here's the size. And as equal to size as the size. If hazard is less than 2 means also only a single character 0, then we'll return it hazard because there's nothing to consider. If not, then we'll start with left and right equal to 1 base index in little bit 2 point equal to should we check from the first window? We should check on the second window. Because first is already checked. Now, if split out acoustic cinematic. Hello Blade Gaming, hello Vicky Commercial, thanks. I mean, it's pretty boring stream if you ask me. I'm just writing my code. How can I make it interesting? Okay, anyway, I have to initialize the map. Press car and int mp dot s dot I. If it has an occurred before, and it doesn't matter. It isn't equal to only thing that matters. After left, it should occur if it has occurred after the left. Why does it matter? Just 0. This 0 it never occurred before. Oh, yeah, okay. This condition means 0 and after left. Assign greater than equal to assign should also be greater than left. It cannot be less than left. That's what it means. It cannot be 0. It cannot be less than left. Why it cannot be 0? If it's 0, that means it hasn't occurred before. No. I think this should is right. The index has occurred after left. That means we have to take a different window. That means we will increase left. It's I plus 1. And math SI has occurred. Once more. I plus 1. Else we are good to go to increase our right. Okay. So here we need to store the answer. Store before increasing the value. So equal to max of answer right minus left. Let's see, answer equal to 0. I give it 0. Yes, I should keep it 0. Yes. So here also we have to add the map index because it is visited and it has occurred at this index. If it is not visited and it occurs after, it should be not visited also. If it's visited before, it does not matter, does it? How does it end then? It's not visited. If it isn't visited before or is after left, Answer, yeah, max of answer plus right minus left. Map done. Left right answer done. Is it done? Let's see. Answer is 4, 3. I got 4. Right minus left. Let's see where did I go wrong. Sliding. Let's show it side by side, right? Description. Why is it and bro? Why is it and? Left row also like that. I mean, I agree. Makes sense. But I plus 1 also makes sense. Yeah, it doesn't make any difference. However, if I do and, it makes a difference, right? No, it doesn't. That's tragic. Next one, it makes a difference. No, it doesn't. Where does it make a difference? Whereas right, left, yeah, I saw right plus I plus 1. Answer 2. Oh, initialize first index of map. It's like 0 as 1 because it has occurred once. What? Oh, it's empty. It's 3. Okay, how about if I do I plus 1? Does it make a difference? I don't think so. It is the last occurrence. How about if I do OR? Does it make a difference? I don't think so. No, it doesn't. How about if I sum it? B. It's showing through. So for the first B, I go S0, I put map S0 is 1. Just occurred once. Then from second B, I equal to 1. I check if it has occurred before. Okay, here it is causing problem. It has occurred before, so it will enter on the basis of this condition. Both should be true. It should occur even if it's occurred before, but it should, just like even if it's occurred before, its index should be within our window. Then we end it, right? We ended that time. We did end it over here. So or also works. No, or also works. Okay. Here we are ending it, here we are extending it. Even if it's occurred before. And even if it's occurred before. But its index should be within our window. So map si is equal to 1 base index, first index. It's like BBB, right? 5 B's. We have 1 for here, map. B, BS 1. If it has occurred, now we are considering increasing left. Since we are considering these two. The left is 1. So we should end it. Answer will be 1. And fifth the name. If I put R over here, give me 2. That's a parental. Both should be true. Thank you, Angel. Let's play a different song. The occurrence, it could be 0. If it's R, it's AND. If it has never occurred here before, it won't enter. it will extend. That what it mean. That what it mean. SI has never occurred before. We will extend. Extend. SI has never occurred before. We will extend. But if SI has occurred and is also within the window, then will end. That's what it means. What it is supposed to mean. So B has occurred before, and it is also within our window. Let me copy this, copy it here. Let's go or so B, even though B is 1, it will enter, but it's not within our index of conditional consideration. We're first checking only single characters, right? Left 1, right 2. We're checking for the first index itself. That is not the issue. No, it's not the issue. Issue's over here. Left. Should be 1, but that is not the concern. That is not the concern. It should be an unordered map too. But that should not be a concern too. What is on this one now? That should not be a concern too. Yes. The concern is it should be less than n. It should not be a concern too. Which is the concern? So we are checking for one extra character. I is 1. Checking from index 1. We're checking from second B. Is second B? Has second B already occurred? Has second B never occurred before? No, it has. It has occurred before. Okay, but extend. Okay, it has never occurred. This is rejected because second B is a B character has occurred before. It is in index 1. Now, if B has occurred and it is also within the window, this left equal to 1. We're checking from one base indexing. What does left equal to 1 supposed to mean? It is one base indexing. One base index means left equal to 1 means it is 0th index. 0 and 1. So we are checking if the first B is 0, the window 0 to 1. That is essentially PB. Since this is not possible, our answer is 1. That is right minus left equal to 1. Our answer is also 1. But if it was possible, if it was a different letter, B is A, then we'll extend it. Right will increase to 3. Then our answer possibility will also increase to 2. Okay, I get it. Success. Okay, I'll end the stream now. Thank you for joining.